Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you have iPhone and you update iOS 26. So this video is very important for you. iOS 26 are introducing set as a ringtone any types of song. Just requirement the song length is a 30-second and you can set your favorite music no matter the web series or movie song. You just download this particular song or you can cut using multiple software available online. In this video I will show you how you can get the ringtone as an online. Afterward we just simply send this ringtone in my mobile phone and set. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So first of all I will show you the website. So look at this here. This is the website. Using this website you can very easily access multiple songs and your favorite web series or movie related ringtones. One of the movie I put it here, the Coolie, and I just download one of the song like a jailer fluent BGM music, and I want set this ringtone on my iPhone. It's very easy. I downloaded this one first of all. Look at this here, and now I just simply send this ringtone on my iPhone. So just simply the song is coming here. The song is automatically comes in the download section. So look at this here. After the song is coming iPhone, just simply long press and here copy, move and share. You just simply click here in the share menu. Next one here, the three dot, and look at this here, use as a ringtone option is displaying here. Previously this option is not showing, and the ringtone comes in ringtone section in your iPhone. We can go back again, we enter the setting, scroll down, sound, and here the ringtone section. Look at this here, I just simply send it this ringtone my MacBook to my iPhone jailer fluent BGM. This is the simple process. This is the simple tips and tricks. You can set ringtone which song you like. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.